In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your FigJam file, choose the right kind of object, and rotate it with confidence, plus a few helpful tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Figma home screen. From here, you can start a new FigJam board by choosing FigJam, or you can open a recent FigJam file you've already been working on. Either option gets you into a FigJam canvas where you can rotate supported objects. Next, click to select an element you want to rotate. Rotation works great on common items like text boxes, images, and basic shapes such as rectangles, circles, arrows, and lines. Keep in mind that not everything in FigJam can be rotated. Specifically, embedded videos, sticky notes, and sections won't rotate. If you select one of those and don't see rotation controls, that's expected behavior. So try selecting a different type of object like a shape or a text layer instead. With a supported object selected, move your cursor toward one of its corners. As you hover near the corner of the selected object, watch for the cursor to change to a curved arrow icon. That curved indicator is your rotation handle. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the object is clearly selected and that you're close to the corner of its bounding box. Zooming in slightly can make the rotation handle easier to spot and grab, especially on smaller elements. Once the curved arrow appears, click and drag to rotate the object. As you drag, you'll see the element turn around its center point, and you might notice an angle readout that helps you find a precise rotation. Rotate until it looks just right for your layout. If you ever feel like the rotation is moving too quickly, try dragging your mouse a bit farther from the object while rotating to gain finer control. When you're happy with the angle, simply release the mouse button to set it. That's the whole process. Open FigJam, pick a rotatable element, hover near a corner until you see the curved arrow, then click and drag to rotate. If the rotation handle doesn't appear, double check that the element is a text box, image, or shape, and not an embedded video, sticky note, or section. With these basics, you can quickly straighten headings, tilt images for emphasis, or angle shapes to guide the flow of your board. Happy rotating!